Hi guys, welcome to another video. So let's continue talking about the while loop, but today we're gonna change a little bit. We're gonna change we're going to talk about the do while loop, which is a little bit different, just a little bit different. So let's start by creating a variable called counter, and we do not start with a while loop. Seriously, we start with a do instead of a while loop. So do will be our body. So do. So there we go. We're gonna print the variable counter. Okay, we will do this counter, and we'll do the increment counter plus plus, which will increment this variable in 1. So we got the initialization at the beginning of the loop. We got the body of the loop, got some action here, the increment, but where is the condition? So the tricky thing about the do while loop is that the condition comes afterwards. So there we go, we put the condition here, so counter less than 10, and we do need to put a semicolon, otherwise it will not compile. Okay, so there we go. A little bit odd. Most of the time, the confusion between those two loops, the while loop alone and the do while loop, are clear. It's not. How can I put that into words? It's not clear what's the main difference. The only difference that the do will at least execute one time. So that's just the one thing that you should pay attention. So you guys can see we have the same output. Okay, but the thing is, let's just how can I put that? So let's say the counter is equal to 11. So I still print 11, right? So you guys need to pay attention to this. So okay, I need to come back here. I need to make a explanation about how this changed. So if counter is equals to a higher number than the condition, so if counter is equal to 11, which would not be executed in the while loop, and I'm gonna show you guys why. So the do loop will execute at least once. So this is just the main difference. So let's make it an adjustment to a while loop. While counter less than 10. We just copy this and paste over here, and I'm gonna comment this out. So let's comment this out, and what remains is our initial while loop. So this is our original while loop. So you guys can see that we have a counter. So I'm gonna compile, and you guys will see that we do not print any number on the screen. This happens because we first try to assess the condition. Okay, this is why on the while loop we do some action, then we try to assess the condition. That's why if I change this, if I remove this and I execute this, I will see at least once the counter value. Okay, so I hope you guys understood what I was saying. If you guys have any doubts, you can comment down below, okay? Or if you have any questions. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.